Hi there, I'm Michael Coleman, and today I have here this Matchbox lovely 1979 Porsche Turbo. Absolutely stunning, as is the real thing. But this is a really good model of it. It even has locking doors. You can see those little plastic there, that little lever. There we go, got the boot that opens. It's got sprung suspension. You can see the sunroof, Porsche badge. Beautiful model of the great car. And this one's in really good condition. So a quick look underneath. There you go. That says 1979 Lesney Productions. Lovely. Hope you enjoyed.